Laguna Bay Beach Community, your beachfront retreat with exclusive land sales in Rosarito, Baja Beach. Discover the exclusivity of Laguna Bay, the most prestigious beachfront development in Rosarito. Just 55 minutes from San Ysidro, Tijuana border, the journey takes you through some of the most iconic destinations as the Scenic Highway, Real Del Mar Hotel, the Rosarito Beach Hotel, La Paloma Resort, SUNY Beach Club, the restaurants of Puerto Nuevo, and the Rosarito Sand Dunes, leading you to Laguna Bay. If you're coming from Ensenada, the road offers spectacular views as you pass through Puerto Salinas, the Bajamar Ocean Golf Resort, and the Alicito Sandy Beach until you reach your final destination, the exclusive paradise of Laguna Bay. A private community with controlled access, security cameras, and 24-hour surveillance. With first-class infrastructure, including hydraulic concrete streets, a water treatment plant, an underground power line. A place where nature and exclusivity converge. With the best beachfront views. A community with a responsibility towards ecology. Spaces for outdoor activities. We build respecting the harmony with nature. With a beach club for the entire community. Fire pit areas for socializing. Relax and enjoy the moment. With grilling areas in different locations. Children's playgrounds for the kids. Laguna Bay is more than a home. It's a lifestyle where luxury merges with exclusivity. Beach Community Laguna Bay,